Welcome to the Keto Meal Online. My name is Cyril Jr. and today we're going to make the cocoa smoothie. If you enjoy chocolate and you love smoothies, this is the recipe for you. So let's get started. The ingredients that you're going to need is an avocado. You pretty much get this anywhere. This one is not quite as ripe as I would like it, but this is the best I could get right now, short notice. So you're going to need a nice, you're going to need half of avocado. So you're going to need the avocado. The next ingredient that you're going to need is unsweetened almond milk. This one has coconut, but you can get just plain almond milk, unsweetened. This is the one, I think I do have unsweetened with no coconut flavor, but this one has coconut flavor. Yeah, you could get anyone that's unsweetened from your local grocery store. The next ingredient that you're going to need a 2 tablespoons of raw cocoa powder. Sorry, that's the French side. Raw cocoa powder. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of this. I bought this at my local convenience store. Local grocery store. But you could get this anywhere. But I'm going to put a link at the bottom to where you could get this. The next ingredient that you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to need some whey protein. I recommend whey protein. I actually select the cocoa or the chocolate flavor protein. It's just going to make your smoothie, your cocoa smoothie, much richer. Okay, next you're going to need chia seeds. This I got from your local grocery store. They're usually with, if I remember, I think this is where you get them at where you get your nuts. So if you in your grocery stores, if you go into the nuts and seeds, this is usually in that section. So you're gonna need. Let me just take a look here. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So you can get this in your local grocery store as well. The next ingredient that you're gonna need is also you're gonna need coconut milk. Sorry, not coconut milk, but coconut oil. This one is 100% virgin coconut oil. I bought this at the, like I said, at the grocery store. A lot of this stuff you could get at your local grocery store. But if you're having a hard time trying to find some of these ingredients, I'm gonna put a link at the bottom where you can get these and get them shipped to you. So just take a look at the ingredients below, and I'll link them all below. The equipment that I'm going to be using today is the Magic Bullet. Once again, it's one of my favorite equipment in the kitchen, the Magic Bullet. It's good. If you do have a blender, I would, any blender will work, or even one of those handheld blenders, but today I'm going to be using the blender. But like I said, if you have a blender, handheld blender, feel free to use it. Okay, so let's get started. So the first ingredient I would recommend is you're going to pour your almond milk in first. The reason why you're going to put your almond milk in first, it's going to help for the dry ingredients to stick on the inside of your blender or your Magic Bullet. So you're going to put 1 cup of almond milk, all right? Go ahead. Oops, I'm making a mess here. 1 cup of almond milk. The next ingredient that you're going to put in is your avocado. Like I said, this avocado is not as ripe as I would like it, but it's ripe enough that I'm going to go ahead and put this inside. So let's go ahead and cut this in half. Yeah, this is a little bit, it's not as ripe as I like it, but and here you go, as you can see. There you go. It's not too bad. It's not as ripe as I would like it, but it will do. Let's just go ahead and peel off that skin. And there you go. The next ingredient that you're going to need is the cocoa powder. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of raw cocoa powder. So here's my tablespoons. So I usually put a heap of chocolate there, cocoa powder. 1, and we're gonna put 2 cocoa powder. Next, you're gonna use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So here you go. Here's the chia seeds that you got. You get them at the local grocery store. Here we go. So let's just open that up. So let's get 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Let's put that inside. There you go. The next ingredient that you're going to need is the coconut oil. Like I said, the virgin coconut oil. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So let's go ahead and get that coconut oil out of there. You could get the liquid coconut oil. They're both good, but this one is the solidified coconut oil. So let's put that in there. And then the last ingredient that you're going to be putting in is 1 scoop of protein powder. Whey, if you could get them. I got this at Walmart, but you could just add this to your protein. So let's get 1 scoop of protein powder. So there we go. It's already measured out. So 1 scoop of protein powder. Actually, chocolate. If you could get chocolate, it would be much better. Give it that more chocolatey flavor. So you put that all inside. Once everything has been added, so you go ahead and you put your smoothie into the magic bullet. Like I said, if you have any other blenders, handheld or any one, I think the Ninja or any one of those blenders, it will work well. So let's go ahead and put that inside there. Let's tighten that up. All right. Let's go ahead and blend that up. Oop, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so now it's all blended up. Take it out. Let's open that up. Let's see that. Let's see how that looks. Look at that. Wow. Doesn't that look great? Wow. And that's so let's get a nice glass to pour that in. So if you love chocolate, this is your recipe, you guys. So let's go pour that into your glass, and you're gonna see. Oop, here we go. Look how thick that is. Almost looks like pudding, to be honest. And there you go. There you go. It's the coca smoothie. This is another breakfast dish that you could whip up real quick when you're heading out. You put all those ingredients into the blender, and you're off to go. You drink it. It's about 485 calories. So that's one meal right there. You drink that and you're good to go. It has about 7 grams of carbs, so you're pretty much low on your carb. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you get the notification on any time I add a new recipe. But there you go, guys, the cocoa smoothie. I'm gonna go try it right now. So hope you like it. Enjoy. If you have any other smoothie ideas, leave them in the comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.